I said I'm
Hey y'all, it's Ari here. I'm back with another video. So this is my second install of this Eula curly crochet hair. This is the Eula hair in the front. It's curly, 16 inches. I got the full head or two-piece package. I did dye the hair myself. It originally came as black and I just lifted it to this brown color with some developer and some lightener. So this was a DIY dye job, but the color came out cute. So right now I'm just showing you all how to install curly crochet here. It's very simple. You just insert the hook, you pull it through, and you tie it one time. That's it. Now to take this hair out, all you have to do is undo the braid or pull the crochet hair out. It does take some time to take it out. When you take it out, make sure you detangle it when you take it out, because in order for me to start the second install, I had to detangle the hair. And y'all, it took me so long. I had to get the metal end of the rat tail comb and go piece by piece and detangle it. So yeah, make sure you detangle it, because all I did when I took it out, I threw it in the bag. So it's not a super easy takedown. It's not a super easy put it back in your head. But this style can last months if you take care of it. So yeah, I'm just going on about installing it. Like I said, it's super easy. It did not take me long to install it, probably about an hour and a half, not including the braid down. My sister braided my hair down. Shout out to my sis. But yeah, you can definitely do this on your own. I did install the hair on my own, and if you know how to braid your own hair, more power to you. I can braid my own hair, but it's not good. It's messy braids, struggle braids. But yeah, y'all, just make sure y'all leave me some comments. Thank you for the love. Oh, I got a new camera. I don't know if y'all can tell the difference. These videos I recorded on my camera. So yay, I'm so happy. I just invested, or my husband invested in a new camera. Oh yes, I'm married. Life's just been going well. I'm almost done with school. Almost done. But yeah, I'm just continuing on. Um, mhm. I'm trying to get y'all a little ASMR here, so I'll stop talking. But this is with all the hair in. Now I am just going to style the hair with some water and some foam, and then this is what you would do daily. Just get your spray bottle. I didn't have a spray bottle here. But yeah, you want to get your spray bottle, just spray your hair down in the morning and brush it with your little detangling brush, and you're good to go. Super cute style for the summer, super natural looking, and yeah, it's just all cute. So the price of this here was $170 with a coupon, which, considering what other companies are charging, that is very affordable, and I am reusing the hair, so yeah, it's a good deal. I didn't even use all of the hair. Some pieces broke off after detangling, the second time, and all the other stuff. So, but it's still full, and I still have some hair left over. I can still add some hair in, but my hair is still full. I'm just styling y'all, and those little ring curls with my finger. I think that is so cute, with the little curls popping here and there. I think that is so cute. I saw this from LaRaisha Andrea. I saw her doing this, but I know other people do this too. But yeah, the hair is so cute, so stylish. I've gotten so many compliments. I cannot even tell you how many compliments I've gotten out in person. I really think the color did a lot for this hair too, but it was really pretty in this natural black phase as well. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. My next clip, I'm just gonna show some styles and talk about how I wrap it up in a little outro. But yeah, I love curly crochet. It's my jam now. It's what I love to do. Okay, I'm back. My hair is like 70% dry. So I'm just gonna show y'all some of the styles that you can wear with this. You can flip it to either side. One side. The other side. Okay, you can kind of do half up, half down. So you can pin it back like that, or you can do it up like that, or of course a ponytail. It's just however you want to do, honey. You want low, you can do low. You want high, you can do high. Let's see if I can get it up. And this is how I would sleep with it, up in a pineapple. That way your curls kind of, you know, stay fresh. Let me. That's cute. Like this. So yeah, there's so many styles that you can do with this hair. This is my second install of this hair. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next video. Love y'all. Bye. Money don't care when the truth unfolds. Yeah, I shine, but my soul feels old. Got the world, but I miss what I saw. Custom rap, black tint, slide slow.